Hey guys, welcome back to God Glimpse. In today's video, let me share some awesome Siri tips and tricks. So let's get started. First up, ask Siri, what's the battery percentage of my iPhone?
Battery is at 96%.
It's handy whether you're at the gym or just lounging. Siri can also translate into multiple languages like Chinese, Spanish, and more. Just say, hey Siri, translate hello, how are you into Chinese.
In Mandarin Chinese, hello, how are you is
嗨，你好吗？
For music lovers, ask Siri to play your favorite radio station based on your location. Just say, play Q105 radio station. Lastly, Siri can swiftly navigate you to iPhone settings like wallpapers or brightness adjustments. Just ask, open brightness settings, and that's it. Once again, thank you for watching. This has been Guide Glimpse. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more how-to videos.